Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to study about gases. What is gas? Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Properties of gas. They are easy to compress. They expand to fill their containers. They occupy far more space than the liquids or solids from which they form. Low density. Gas law. Laws that relate the pressure, volume and temperature of a gas. Boyle's law. The relationship between the pressure and volume of gas for a mass and temperature. Charles's law. The volume of a gas equals a constant value multiplied by its temperature as measured on the Kelvin scale.